going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Corsa today. So it's going to be a pretty simple mod. Now I say mod, the only reason that I'm actually doing this is because one of my bulbs has actually gone. So I'm going to be replacing 4 bulbs in total today. So I'm going to be doing the 2 rear number plate bulbs, and I'm also going to be doing this dome light bulb there, and I'm also going to be doing the bulb which is in the boot as well. Now the bulbs that I've ordered, there was like £4 or £5 for the 4 of them. Now they say they're error free or canvas free, and so I guess we'll just have to wait and see, you know, if we're going to get any like errors, or if they're going to be, you know, if they're actually going to work or not. But yeah, it shouldn't be too hard to do. Like, I'm pretty sure the 2 number plate bulbs, they just literally just pop out with a screwdriver, and this one, it's just going to be a case of like just getting a screwdriver behind there, popping that down, and then pulling the bulb out, put the new one in. But yeah, I always do this if I can. Like, I've done it on my BMW. I like change all of the interior LED bulbs. It just looks a lot better, and it's actually like a thing that's worth doing as well, because a white LED bulb compared to like a yellow one is just like so much brighter, just like so much easier to see, and it looks better as well. So yeah, I guess we should just get into it, start rambling now, and I'm going to be doing the rear number plate bulbs first. Okay, so starting off, this is just how they look at the moment. So obviously I know I've got one out, but as you can see, they're like quite yellow. So hopefully with the new LED ones, they should look more white. But yeah, one of them's already gone out, so let's pop these out anyway, and let's see how they go in. Okay then, so we have both of the units out right now, and to get them out, basically you just have to like push that clip to the side, and then it just sort of springs out. But it's best to use 2 screwdrivers, one to push that and one to sort of like prise it out, and then it's just a case of like unplugging the plugs. And I guess these are the bulbs. It's going to screw them out. And yeah, that's the bulb right there. In. Just put them on the car now. Okay, and that is how we're looking. Much better. Okay then, so that's the rear number plate bulbs done. It's now time to do the interior bulbs, starting with this one. That's actually how it looks. It's actually turned off. That's actually how it looks right now. You can see it's like very yellow, so it's not the brightest. But let's get the LEDs out, and then let's put them in. Okay then, so job done with that one. See, it's so much brighter. Now I actually found it easier just to take the, obviously once I've removed it from the headliner, I actually found it easier just to disconnect the both of the connectors, and then I could just take the whole thing down and readjust the little pins in it to make the bulb fit. So I found that the easiest way, so if obviously if you're doing it yourself, it might be worth noting. But that one's done then. I'm gonna move on to the one in the boot now. Okay, so this is how the one in the boot is looking. Very yellow. Guess it's just gonna be the same again. Just pop it out somehow. Yep. There you go. Take the bulb out and then put the new one in. Just in. There we go. Job done. Okay then, so to recap, we've done the 2 number plate bulbs, the interior dome light, switch off, interior dome light, and the rear boot light. Okay then, so obviously it's pretty hard to tell like the results, you know, when it's daylight outside. So I'll probably insert some clips after this one, what it's like at night, so you guys can see, you know, what it really likes, you know, what difference it really makes. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. I know it's been a short one. Again, if you want me to make any more videos like this, please just, you know, comment down below. Give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in that next video. Peace!